Hi guys, I am Engineer Hassan Adil. The topic of this video is what is trace logic and what is its important in the Primavera P6. You know that the logic or the relationship is the most important thing in the Primavera P6. In the Primavera program, every activity has some predecessor and has some successor. It means they are having some logics to which they are connected to the other activities. So the trace logic help us to check us this activity is connected to which activities. With the trace logic option we can check the whole loop of the activities to they are connected. For example, I select this activity. I want to check the logic of this activity, which are the predecessor and which are the successors of this activity. I will go to the option trace logic. Here is the option trace logic. I will select this. This option is showing me that this activity A1000, this is the activity. This activity has no predecessor, but these are having these successors. If I will select the second activity A1010, it is showing that this activity has the one predecessor A1000 and these are the successor of this activity. Now if you right click here, you have the trace logic options. From here you can select the levels up to which you want to check your loop. For example, if I select here the option is 3, that is why this activity is showing the 3 levels, 1, 2 and the 3 level of its logic. If I will select here from the 2, so it will give me the 2 levels. I can select it more than 1 at the same time according to my requirement. You can see that. This is the function of the trace logic in the Primavera P6. Thank you for watching this video.